All right, so this video is about rotating one object around another object. This is a little bit of an arbitrary thing. For ease, I'm going to make the object we will rotate around a circle because that always has an exact center point in the middle. And if I wanted this to be centered on my page, I could actually transform it and do an align to page. Oops, not transform, sorry, an align. Where are we here? And I can align to artboard, and I can make sure that this is exactly centered on my artboard if I'm trying to align around things on different layers, etc. But really, the rotation has nothing to do with this object besides giving me a center point that I can go around. And so I'm going to rotate stars around this center object. So I'm going to make a yellow star, and I'm going to put it above this object. I'm going to make it kind of small, and I'm going to try to center it right above it. I'm going to hold down my shift key to make sure that it's perfectly straight up and down. All right. Now, if I want to rotate this object, I need to take my rotate tool, and if I want to rotate it around this object, I need to take its center point, this little green thing, which maybe you can't see because it's yellow, but it's right there in the middle, and drag that down. Oops, I didn't grab it. I grabbed the star. See, so let go, undo, try to grab that center point again. Okay, I got it that time. And then actually it will center on the circle. See, it says center right when it comes to the center point of the circle. So that's nice. All right. And now I want to move it. And so I'm going to rotate this a little bit. And there are different ways that I can do this. I'm going to just pick kind of arbitrary here. If I hold down my shift key, you'll see it will give me an exact 45. So I can do something like that, so I know the exact distance. And that will give me perfect distance between each one of these. I can also see where I'm rotating, so I could try to get it exactly perfect that way. That can be a little bit difficult. Let's do the shift. So I hit the 45. Whoops, what did I do there? I did not hold down my Alt Option key. So I'm going to do shift and hold down my Alt Option key. So I'll get a double arrow there. See, the first black one, the second white one shows I'm making a copy. And I'm going to go like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing again. So I'm going to say Object Transform again, which is Command D. All right, and I'm just going to keep doing that. Paste. Oops, not that one. Transform again, D. Transform again, D. D, D, D. All right, so now I've made a perfect circle around this. And that's all there really is to it. It's just that rotation around an object, and it's really getting that point down to the center point that makes it happen. All right, that's all for this video. I'll see you next time.